Hello YouTubers, standing at the banks of the Barwon River at Brewarrina in northwestern New South Wales. Today we're going to have a look at the culturally significant and heritage listed Aboriginal fish traps. Just flying over the fishway, which was constructed in 2012 as part of the weir to allow the movement of the fish upstream. Constructed in 1971, the weir caused some damage to the fish traps and probably led to an overall reduction in the effectiveness of the traps as well. The First Nations people around Brewarrina are the Ngemba people. They call this place Ngunnhu, and they caught fish here for thousands of years. During the different seasons of the year they trapped fish, and they also shared them with the neighbouring other tribes that used to meet here for ceremonies and trading and different get-togethers and corroborees, and it was a great place for meeting and sharing. Make sure you watch the end there, YouTubers. The last flyover goes right to the end, and it's a really good view of some of the fish traps that are still in really good order. I'll be quiet now and we'll just play a bit of music. Underneath the arrow you'll see the outline of the fish traps in this section of the river. These traps are still maintaining fairly good condition. By the way, these traps here are considered to be one of the oldest man-made structures in the world. One final flight over the weir in the Barwon River at Brewarrina. Very popular place with pelicans and a few shags down there too. As we get around this corner here, you'll see the outline of some of the fish traps. The ones down this end seem to be in much better condition than the ones up near the weir. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, YouTubers, and if you wouldn't mind hitting the like button and think about subscribing, that'd be fantastic. Don't forget to visit Brewarrina. It's a lovely little town. A caravan park, lovely visitor centre and friendly people. Thanks for watching, YouTubers, and we'll see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe. That'd really help us out.